Hey, what's kicking, my fellow web warriors? Today, I'm going to keep this video as short as the line at your favorite coffee shop, so hold on to your seats. Now, are you encountering a pesky pop-up on your screen while enjoying YouTube? You know, the one where YouTube's like, disable that ad blocker, mate. Well, here's the scoop on how to make that annoyance vanish into thin air.
You gonna learn today.
Plus, I've got a fun twist to get you to subscribe to this channel. Stay tuned for that.
I want to help you. I want to help you get whatever you want.
So, to sidestep this problem like a pro, you need the almighty uBlock Origin extension. It's like your secret ad-busting weapon. To get your hands on this bad boy, head over to Chrome Web Extension Store. Search for uBlock Origin. It's a browser extension, and guess what? It's free, open source, and ready to rock on all the major browsers: Firefox, Chrome, Opera, Edge, and the list goes on. Once you've snagged this ad-blocking wizard, it's time to work your magic. Click that uBlock Origin icon in your browser and open up the dashboard, the secret source. Hit the Filters Lists tab and get ready to do some digital spring cleaning. Purge all those caches, my friend. Clear the clutter. Now, this is where the real magic happens. Once you've done the digital tidying up, the Update Now button appears. Click it, and boom, your uBlock Origin is updated with all the latest and greatest filters. Isn't it funny how your problems disappear as if by magic?
Magic, 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 magic.
But wait, there's more. There's this awesome website we need to keep our eye on, and it's the key to staying one step ahead of those pesky YouTube ad blocker detection scripts. It's this website right here, trust me. It's all about matching uBlock Origin and its filters with YouTube's latest tricks. If it gives you the green light and says, yes, you're good to go, you can now enjoy YouTube ad-free. No more pop-ups. That's all there is to it, folks. Simple, right? And now, the funny twist to get you to subscribe. Remember how I promised a hilarious way to keep you engaged? Well, you see, the secret to making this video disappear from your recommendations and feed is to smash that subscribe button like you're playing whack-a-mole at the arcade. Just give it a gentle tap, and this video will vanish from your sight. But you don't want that, do you? So give it a good old smack. Hit like while you're at it, too. It's like ordering extra whipped cream on your latte. By doing that, you're not only ensuring that you won't lose this video, but you'll also help it rocket up the YouTube algorithm charts.
Help me help you.
More people can stumble upon it, learn, and maybe find it as helpful as you did. Isn't that just fantastic? If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. And as always, take care, everyone. Peace, love, and ad-free YouTube.